In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. The process is quite straightforward, but paying attention to the details can make it much smoother for you and your invitees. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring you understand not just what to do, but why each part is important for creating an effective meeting schedule. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Calendar. Open your web browser and type in the URL calendar.google.com. This will bring you directly to your Google Calendar interface. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in, you'll see your calendar view, typically set by default to a week view. The calendar is a visual tool that serves as the backbone for scheduling our meeting. Next, consider the ideal date and time for your meeting. It's important to select a time that works best for you and your attendees, so take into account different time zones if applicable. Click on a specific time slot that fits your agenda. This ensures that your meeting is not only scheduled, but also conveniently fit around your other commitments. After selecting a time slot, you'll see a pop-up menu. Here, click on More Options. This will expand your meeting's information view and allow you to add further details. It's not just about choosing a time, it's about making sure your meeting is well organized and clearly communicated. Now fill in the title of your meeting. This might seem trivial, but a descriptive title ensures participants understand the meeting's purpose at a glance. The title is essentially the first impression of your meeting, so make it precise and informative. One key step is setting the time zone. Click on this option to ensure all your attendees receive the invitation in their correct local time. This is critical in preventing any confusion about when exactly the meeting will take place. Next, consider adding a notification reminder. This can be customized according to your needs, perhaps 30 minutes before the meeting begins. A notification helps everyone involved stay punctual and prepared. Now, select the attendees. Type in the email addresses of all participants you wish to invite. Google's smart features make this straightforward, often auto-suggesting contacts from your list to save you time. Finally, you'll want to save your changes. Just click Save, but don't stop there. You'll get a prompt to send invitations to your attendees. Ensure you click Send. Doing so not only safeguards your settings, but also immediately informs everyone else, giving them ample time to prepare. And that's it. Your Google Meet session is now scheduled, and your attendees will receive all the relevant information to join at the right time. Taking a little extra care with each of these steps guarantees a smooth scheduling process, making your life and those of your invitees just a bit easier. So go ahead, schedule away, and watch your productivity soar.